On 18th March 2025, East Khasi Hills District Police arrested a 27-year-old man identified as one Oles Mukhim from Nonghali for allegedly assaulting a differently abled young woman. Speaking on the case, East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Vivek Aim stated that the police received a complaint regarding the incident on the 16th of March. However, the crime reportedly took place 2 weeks prior. The victim, who has hearing and speech impairments, faced difficulties in communicating the incident, making the investigation more challenging for the authorities. With coordinated efforts from Mawdyangdyang and Nongmensong police, Mukhim was apprehended on the 18th of March. According to SAIM, a case has been registered against the accused under relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. The suspect has been presented in court and police are seeking custody for further investigation.
Kadri ni bunai berkelajia kamsel kata di kamswai kata ban artio shwa ka bakin ujor kata na itu modern yang ban nila register case kadang ka kendon ka BNS bat ka Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act kata de dang menehi ini dang yo kem yo accuse sudah ina Nonghali waktu Oles Mukhim aku news na de metas ni la produce you ha code but ni sepan custody kanang bagaj toket ni achakman ini nanat di dan kata ba dan kecintuna katakan pam in di Yasmoba in lam kren ro de katakan ningkong kaya bojing ni rupa lamba kalong kumta ka situation bit pa laban kan laban Yasmoba ro de ndrei da kaching fish tom yung gina Mawdyangdyang ban na Nongmensong ikilai you identify but you game ro you down there dimentang kita produce ni sepan custody kita ki jingte ba company ai sa yo khamadi am kadang ka section 91 jong ka Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act ni kata ban kadang ka section 64 na makla jong ka BNS Act tu buat kembali tombor ni bijat ya kan guna ka ini ni lana
makon
ya kata ni tak verify jadi la yo custody ni sa clip ni apa buat ni buat ni apa ni pe case record ni don ne am ka case record berum ndrei haduk mentah te kampan lapan dan ka case record berum